Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. SEC's surprising verdict: Binance Coin, BNB, Solana, Cosmos, Atom, Polygon, Matic, and more deemed securities. Will the prices plummet to zero? In the lawsuit against Binance, the US SEC has categorized 12 tokens, including BNB, SOL, Matic, and ADA, as securities. Interestingly, Ethereum, ETH, one of the world's largest cryptocurrencies, was conspicuously left off the list of securities. In a new development in the cryptocurrency world, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has taken the exceptional step of explicitly designating 12 tokens as securities. This revelation came as part of the regulatory body's lawsuit against Binance, its CEO Changpeng Zhao, and Binance US. The 12 tokens identified as securities are BNB, Binance USD Stablecoin, BUSD, Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, Polygon, Matic, Filecoin, Fail, Cosmos Hub, Atom, The Sandbox, Sand, Decentraland, Mana, Algorand, ALGO, Axie Infinity, Axis, and Cody. In the lawsuit, the SEC noted, since the Binance platforms launched, defendants have made available for trading on them crypto assets that are offered and sold as investment contracts, and thus as securities. The regulator also emphasized that this list is not exhaustive, leaving room for additional tokens to be categorized as such in the future. A noteworthy omission from the SEC's list of securities is Ethereum, ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. This absence comes despite SEC Chair Gary Gensler's reluctance to clarify ETH's status during a comprehensive hearing in April. Previously, Gensler had indicated to New York Magazine that everything other than Bitcoin should be classified as a security. In their lawsuit against Binance and its associated entities, the SEC asserts that the companies have recurrently misled customers and diverted funds to a separate investment fund owned by Zhao. This claim echoes similar allegations previously leveled against Binance's erstwhile competitor, FTX, and its founder Sam Bankman-Fried. The SEC's enforcement action comes in the wake of a similar lawsuit lodged by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission against Binance in March. The announcement of the lawsuit led to a decline in the price of Bitcoin, BNB, and other implicated tokens, hinting at the lawsuit's immediate impact on the crypto market. As this legal showdown unfolds, stakeholders in the cryptocurrency industry will undoubtedly watch closely to gauge the long-term implications of this regulatory development. Price prediction. Cosmos price today is $10.02 with a 24-hour trading volume of $178.22 million, market cap of $3.47 billion, and market dominance of 0.31%. The Atom price increased 0.12% in the last 24 hours. Cosmos price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from June 7, 2023 at 9:53, the general Cosmos price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 2 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 29 signaling bearish signals. Atom price prediction was last updated on June 7, 2023 at 9:53. Cosmos key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $10.09, Cosmos has support levels of $9.92, $9.66, and the strongest at $9.50. Similarly, Cosmos resistance levels are at $10.34, $10.51, and $10.77. Cosmos reached its highest price on January 7, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time high of $44.47, while Cosmos's lowest price was recorded on November 14, 2016 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.000104. The lowest price since its ADH was $5.60, cycle low. The highest Atom price since the last cycle low was $16.90, cycle high. The Cosmos price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Cosmos's current circulating supply is 346.61 m-atom. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 21.04%, meaning 60.24 m-atom were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Cosmos is currently ranked number 8 in the proof-of-stake coin sector and ranked number 12 in the Layer 1 sector. Cosmos is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 38 days, since April 30, 2023. The price of Cosmos is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 37 days, since April 30, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 55 days ago, on April 13, 2023. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 8, 2023, which was 119 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Cosmos's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $12.06 by July 7, 2023. Cosmos's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $10.16 by July 7, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 40.99, which indicates that the atom market is in a neutral position. According to our current Cosmos price prediction, the value of Cosmos is predicted to rise by 0.21% and reach $10.09 by June 12, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Cosmos recorded 17/30ths, 57%, green days with 2.09% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Cosmos forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Cosmos. Comparing Cosmos against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Cosmos price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Cosmos price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, atom price prediction for year 2026 is $251 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Cosmos would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $28.79. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.